Welcome back, 7th graders. This lesson for Thursday is a little step further into solving equations. We're moving from one step to two-step equations. Every one of the examples you're going to see can be solved using two operations. Negative 4x minus 6 equals 18. The first step is to get rid of the negative 6 by adding 6 to both sides. Doing that means I'm bringing down my negative 4x and setting it equal to 24. The next step to solve is to get rid of the negative 4 that is being multiplied on the x by dividing it on both sides. So I get x is equal to negative 6. We can check this. Should equal 18. Negative 4 times negative 6 is positive 24. Minus 6 is 18, so this checks out. Next, we have two operations to be undone, and we're solving for n. Adding and subtracting go first. I'm going to add 6 to both sides, which is going to leave me with n over 4 is equal to 15. To get n by itself, I'm going to multiply both sides by 4 to get rid of it, which leaves me with n is equal to 60. Off to the side, I'm going to check 60 divided by 4 is 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. This next question is a little trickier because it combines distributive property and solving equations. The first one is use the distributive property to distribute the 5 to the quantity d minus 2. So we are actually solving 5d minus 10 equals 15. Now we can solve this in two steps by getting rid of addition or subtraction first. So we're going to add 10 to both sides of the equation. We're going to be left with 5d is equal to 25. Now to solve for d, we're going to divide both sides by 5. And we get d is equal to 5. Off to the side, I am going to check to make sure I have the correct answer by substituting in 5 to the original equation. 5 minus 2 is in parentheses, so I'm going to have 5 times 3 equals 15, and that checks out. Now we see decimal coefficients, and we see the variable on the right. It makes no difference if your variable is on the right or the left. You still want to get rid of any addition or subtraction first. So we're going to get rid of this minus 9.1 by adding 9.1 to both sides. Adding 9.1 to both sides, I'm left with 14.6 on the left and 0.8x on the right. Solve by dividing by 0.8 on both sides. And we end up with x is equal to 18.25. And that should be our final answer for today's problem. If you guys have questions about solving two-step equations, make sure you use the answer key here. We wish you the best of luck.